Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course this is the Microsoft rant again. We talked about how Microsoft doesn't listen to what people ask, and one of the things that a lot of people wanted in Windows 11 and Windows 10 is the ability to easily set up just a local account from the start. No need for Microsoft account, just use Windows. And it is understandable, when we look at the past versions of Windows until Windows 7. Well, there was no such thing as having to create an online account to use your Windows. And we've been used to this for so many years that when Microsoft started pushing the Microsoft account thing, now when it was optional, meaning you didn't have to, but you could if you want, that's one thing. But now that, the home version, you have to, and the pro version now has to. So if you are going to get 22H2, be ready for that. 22H2 clean install will require to have a Microsoft account. This was something that the pro version was still not, you didn't have to. It was not mandatory. So I don't know. Microsoft should ease up on this. I think they really should, just let you do what you want. Use a local account if you wish. Plus, it has all sorts of little problems here and there. If you want to set up a new PC and don't have internet access, well, without internet access, you can't go and continue through the step of creating an account or anything. So you're kind of stuck. There used to be a time in Windows 10, for example, when they required you could just, unplug the cable. It would actually give you a local account option. Now, what you see here is that even if you unplug, the local account isn't available. You need to have, at least for that process moment, a internet access. Like Minnie said, what's sad here is that a lot of people are going to create these quick fake accounts for Microsoft, log in, then create a local account, and then remove the Microsoft account from their Windows. But I find it sad that Microsoft is actually pushing this so intensely. And, it's one of those things that when you look at the Feedback Hub comments and complaints, it's up on top of what people don't want. I'm part of those that doesn't care. I don't care that I have to do a Microsoft account, but some people do. And I think there should be a choice. I think Microsoft should let you decide if you want one or not. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.